Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So the Ethereum chart has dipped into our support area. I only want to take a look at the shorter time frame here today. The short-term chart, yeah. So Ethereum, as I said, has dipped into our support area, and we might get to the next support level, which is located there at $3,665, even though, let's say, that is not technically needed. Yeah, we do not have to get to that level. Key support remains for this current wave 4 at around $3,374. We've looked into this one. We have obviously observed this level, watched this level for the last month or so, but we have only really, was it today or yesterday, broken below this green line, which is a previous breakout point. Yeah, price broke above it, consolidated, but couldn't hold it, which is a shame, but it doesn't change the pattern. It doesn't change the structure at the moment. So we're simply in this correction. I treat this as a wave 4 correction. Another internal 4-5 pattern is possible. I treat it as a wave W, an X wave, and then the Y wave, and the Y wave is an A, B, C, and the C wave is unfolding now as a 5-wave structure. My preferred interpretation is that we only have 3 waves down, wave 1, wave 2, and then 3, again in 5 waves. We could get another 4-5 pattern. That's my preferred interpretation here. But because we have already dipped into this zone, we have already reached the zone, we could turn around at any point. I mean, also the 4-hour time frame, it's oversold. Now, I haven't got any bullish divergence yet. It's very much possible that the price could form a lower high and a lower low on the price chart, and then form basically a higher low on the RSI, on the indicator, which is then a so-called bullish divergence, and that could lead then eventually to a turnaround. Now, we do not need a bullish divergence to build. If the price breaks above our resistance area, we might be in a more direct breakout to the upside. This resistance area is between $4,006 and $4,215. That's the micro resistance zone, and it aligns also with the previous swing highs here. Yeah, so around $4,215, if we can get a decisive break above it, that is then likely our upside breakout, especially if the move up occurs in 5 waves. Difference to yesterday is that we now have that lower low I wanted to see. Yesterday, the price was kind of just dancing around the previous swing low, and I told you double bottoms rarely hold, and I also said we don't have a bottoming structure, so if we now break above resistance, it's not really a true reversal signal. But if we now, the way it looks now, break above resistance, it could indeed be a breakout to new highs. But for now, the correction is still unfolding. I think it looks a bit unfinished. One of you asked me on Discord, why does it look unfinished? Any learnings from that? And I said, well, it comes down to the nanostructures. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In wave 3, could get another 4-5 pattern. So, and also we don't have that bullish divergence, and we haven't broken above resistance. So those are the aspects. So yeah, that's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you also check out our membership options. And feel free to follow us on X as well for additional charts, news, updates, and much more. I put the link in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.